Hello and welcome back to the Alteryx Weekly Challenge. Me and Big Noel. This is challenge number 150 and have the stars aligned. So we are looking at some coordinates of some stars by the looks of it. In 1997, a series of events were set up by Dean, Libby and Ned, who were the founders of Alteryx. And those star trajectories are now aligned, I guess. What will they look like in 2019? So let's have a look at the start file. Okay, so this is a highly unusual start file in that it's got a couple of tools already on the canvas. We've got an input, which is the position of the stars, and an ID by the looks of it, and then star velocity, so distancing units per year. Okay, so here's the star ID again, and then the velocity per year. Okay, so we've got the starting position in 1997, and then what do they look like now? So let's just run this and we'll see. There you go. So we've got some dots here appearing for each of the data points. So let's try and work out what we do. So per year, so if we do, this is obviously this is the change per year for the X and the Y, and then this is the position. So you want to per year add this, or well, yeah, add this to the other one. But we're talking about 2019 from 97, so that's 22 years. So the first thing I think we'll do is create a 22-year field. Yeah, call it. And we'll just call it 22 and we'll make it a integer. Okay, so that will give us a year, and then all we have to do is times the velocity per year by the number of years. So Vx we can then just put as vel x times the year, and then similarly for the y axis we can do the same, times year. Good. Okay, so that gives us a velocity per year. We can then just add that onto the number we've got in here. So let's just join them together. Let's move these out of the way. Let's put them over there. Okay, and then we can join on star ID here, and then that will should give us the data set which has the original position and then what we need to add or minus for that for each of them. So let's just do that very quickly. It's a simple, let's take the X position, and we want to take X position and plus the velocity X, and then on the Y position, and then we want to take the position Y and plus the velocity Y. Okay, and that should just do it. That should give us it. So if we just get rid of that connection and then bring that in there and run it, see what we get. There you go. So what's it say? It says we amplified, which was the slogan for the 2019 conferences. I think it was a take on the fact the conference was in Nashville and amplified guitars, therefore for country and western music, although most of the music I heard in Nashville was sort of country-fied pop. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.